Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time, this time we talk about BTS Jungkook win the legal battle after 8.44 billion KRW Hive stock theft attempt, Byte Music issue statement, and BTS Jungkook recently faced a shocking financial crime involving his Hive stock handling and the holding value at the 8.44 billion KRW, according to Korean media outlet Biz Hancock. An unidentified perpetrator attempted to steal a significant number of shares from the singer, and while he was away on military duty, the incident reportedly took place on January 6, 2024. The thief managed to open three unauthorized security and the account in Jungkook's name and transferred the 33,500 Hive share into these accounts without his consent. From this 500 share were sold to a third party. The remaining 33,000 share were valued at the 8.316 billion KRW based on the Hive closing stock price, and on January 5, 2025, Jungkook became aware of the theft and filed a civil lawsuit in March 2024 at the Seoul Western District Court to recover his share. In February 2025, the court ruled in his favor, declaring that the third party who purchased the 500 share must return them. The court emphasized that the sale was invalid due to the absence of the legitimate stock transfer agreement, identified Jungkook as a victim of identity theft. I'm so happy that Jungkook decided he won't let it go this easily and decided to sue everyone involved. And the third party argued that they had purchased the share in good faith and were unaware of the illegal origin. However, the court dismissed the claim, stating that the buyer showed negligence by failing to verify the stakeholder identity, especially given that the share belonged to a major stakeholder like Jungkook. Initially, the third party appealed the verdict but later withdrew their challenge in March 2025. Investigation revealed that the third party had paid 20,000 USDT to the seller in advance for share. Despite the development, the true mastermind behind the theft remained unidentified. Authorities suspect that someone close to Jungkook might have been involved, given her detailed financial knowledge required to the pull off, such as an act, a security company official noted, and the perpetrator appeared to have the comprehensive information about Jungkook's financial assets, attempting not only to transfer stock but also to test cash. Big Hit Music BTS management company issued a statement acknowledging the incident and referring their commitment to the protecting their artists. They confirmed that both the company and Jungkook took immediate action to prevent further damage by suspending payment to the fraudulent account and restoring his rightful holding. Additionally, they emphasized implementing enhanced security measures to safeguard artist information and prevent such incidents in this future. Big Hit Music share statement in Jungkook having 8.4 billion won worth of share on the Hive show learned as soon as the company and the artist become aware of the criminal activity. The company and the artist took measures to prevent substantial damage by suspending payment to the. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.